Hi, welcome to an Inventor Professional 2017 video tutorial. I want to do the bike frame quick and dirty now in Inventor. This one is actually done with the frame generator and I will do this in a later video. But first I want to do this in one part. So let's have some fun with Inventor. Let's start with our usual sketch. So maybe one on the XY plane, and I need two circles, 700 in diameter, these two should be aligned horizontal, and there should be a distance maybe 1000. And let's move this a little bit over here, maybe like this, and a little bit up. And there should be a distance between these two, and this should be 340. Now let's draw some lines. One should be right here up to this point, up. Okay. Another line up right here. This should be for construction purpose only. There should be a distance. This should be maybe 920. Some more lines. One right here. Maybe like this, okay. Another one, maybe like this. Another one, okay. And another one up. Okay, now let's add some constraints. This point should be coincident on the line. Then trim. Okay, so this is my basic frame. Let's add some dimensions, and maybe this point should be aligned to that one, and the distance should be 260. Okay, then let's take a look. Yeah, there should be an angle somehow. Maybe it's 3, that's okay. This should have a length aligned, maybe here 180. Then there should be an angle between this one, and I will do it up right here. This should be 105 is okay. Same for this one. Okay, now let's move this a little bit. Let's take a look. Maybe there's another angle. This could be 70. Let's see. Oh, that's too much. Let's say it's 60. Yes. And so that's that's 90 plus 15. Maybe let's change this one to 110. Yeah, and this one as well. Okay, give this a distance 2. Align. How did this happen? Seems okay. From this point to that point, this should be aligned. Okay, that might be, let's say, 60. And maybe another angle right there, which could be 50. Or 45. No. Maybe 60. And maybe like this. Okay, so finish the sketch. And for a sweep, I would need all these lines in different sketches, and I need some more 3D sketches as well. So let's go for a 3D sketch. I need one in this point. I need a line. And okay, give it a dimension. That's, let's say it's 30 or 40. Okay, then another line in that direction, and maybe go for precise input, so from this point over there, and the distance should be minus 80. So I got two lines, and I will remove the short one. Okay. Then I need another. Oh, just finish the sketch, make a new one. And it should start right there. So let's deactivate that auto mode. So maybe it's, now I could deactivate this one. Or just draw a line, doesn't matter. Now let's make a constraint, so this line should be parallel to the Z axis, so this one. Okay, now that point should be on that line. Seems that's not possible, that's strange. there's a point. Let's start with our usual sketch. So maybe one on the XY plane. And I need two circles, 700 in diameter. These two should be aligned horizontal, and there should be a distance, maybe 1000. And let's move this a little bit over here, maybe like this, and a little bit up. And there should be a distance between these two, and this should be 340. Now let's draw some lines. One should be right here up to this point, up. Okay, another line up right here. This should be for construction purpose only. There should be a distance. This should be maybe 920. Some more lines. One right here. Maybe like this. Okay. Another one. Maybe like this. Another one. Okay, and another one up. Okay, now let's add some constraints. This point should be coincident on that line. Then trim. Okay, so this is my basic frame. Let's add some dimensions, and maybe this point should be aligned to that one, and the distance should be 260. Okay, then let's take a look. Yeah, there should be an angle somehow. Maybe it's 3, that's okay. This should have a length aligned, maybe here 180. Then there should be an angle between this one, and I will do it up right here. This should be 105 is okay. Same for this one. Okay, now let's move this a little bit. Let's take a look. Maybe there's another angle. This could be 70. Let's see. Oh, that's too much. Let's say it's 60. Yes. And so that's 90 plus 15. Maybe let's change this one to 110. Yeah, and this one as well. Okay, give this a distance 2, align. How did this happen? Seems okay. From this point to that point, this should be aligned. Okay, that might be, let's say, 60, and maybe another angle right there, which could be 50. Or 45, no, maybe 60. And maybe like this. Okay, so finish the sketch. And for a sweep, I would need all these lines in different sketches, and I need some more 3D sketches as well. So let's go for the 3D sketch. I need a 3D sketch. It should be a line, and you could work with the auto mode. So let's go for a line, select the point, and it should be in that direction, and then another one in the other direction over here. So let's remove this one and give this one a dimension. This should be, let's say, 60, and that distance should be probably, that's sort of crazy, I can't snap onto that point, so this should be removed, and now move this over here. Okay, that point should be right here. Oh, that's not possible, but it should. Center point, this one should be, doesn't work. So let's check it out. Because I can move it around, so it should be possible to align somehow this point to the center point. It's not possible. Crazy. So maybe I will set a point right there. Okay. And now let's try to make this point and the middle point, and I'm okay. Now let's make sure it's really aligned, so it should be parallel to the z-axis. Now it's fully constrained. Okay, so finish this sketch. I need another line right here, another 3D sketch, and that point, or I could make a point right here. Okay, now let's go for my line. This should be from here. No, not there. Okay, line from here. That's okay, in that direction, back again. Now let's remove the smaller one, make a dimension. This could be 100. Now let's make this for sure, and now make this point the midpoint of that line. Okay, and finish this sketch. Now I need 4 more lines in 4 different sketches, so go for another 3D sketch. That's a line which goes from this point to that one. Then it goes from, no, I need another sketch, another line from that point, that's okay, up to this one. Finish this sketch, make another 3D sketch, another line from here to this point, finish that sketch, and another 3D sketch, another line from that point to this one, and finish this sketch as well. Now I got all my lines. So what's a little bit strange, this one is actually fully constrained and the other one not. Maybe I didn't catch it. So let's check this one out. That's this sketch. Let's take a look if I can move it. Yes. So that point should be coincident to this one. And finish this sketch as well. This looks okay. Okay, 2 lines are missing, so maybe let's hide this sketch. That's this one, and I need 2 more lines right here, so go for another 3D sketch. That would be a line which starts here, so I will need a point right there. Then go for a line like this, give it a dimension which could be 30, then align it to the z-axis and make the midpoint coincident to that point. Finish the sketch and the same again, another 3D sketch, point right there, line maybe like this, give it a dimension 30, make sure it's aligned to the z direction and make midpoint on that one coincident. Finish this sketch. Now in order to do sweeps or even extrudes, I would need a whole lot of planes, so we'll go for a totally different approach. I will make extrudes and then surfaces and thicken it if possible. It should be possible here, here, here and there. Okay, not here, not here, not here. Yeah, so I will try. Okay, let's go for an extrude. Make it a surface, and I want to select this one. It should be symmetric, and let's say it's this one is 20, and show the sketch. Okay, now let's thicken this with 20 symmetric, and then I could make edge fillets. 20, and now see, you could make fillets which are 10, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. As I already told you, I will do this one with the frame generator in a later video. That's better. So another extrude with this line. Again, just a surface, make this one symmetric and make it 30. Okay, thicken it with 30 and make it symmetric. Okay, and make fillets 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one should be 15. Okay, next another extrude, another surface, symmetric, make it 20 with this one. Okay, thicken it, 20, symmetric. Okay, and again make a fillet 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this should be not 15 but 10. Okay, cancel it, because you should do it in always in a new body. First one, second one and third one, otherwise you would get problems with the fillets. Okay, fillet 10 is okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, same with this one. So let's go for another extrude, surface, symmetric, make it 30, or let's say 25. With this line, make it, okay, thicken it, 25, symmetric, surface, and so it doesn't go for, let's cancel it. Let's take a look at that extrusion. Yes, that's okay. Now again, thicken, make it in a new body, make it symmetric, make it 25, make it with this one. Okay, go for fillets. This should be 12.45. One, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, very nice. And now these. So these are a little bit more difficult, because if I cannot use an extrude, because these lines are 3D sketches, and I could use ruled surface for these two, but I need a direction. That direction should be, of course, perpendicular to that line in every direction. So here I could go for work planes anyway and do sketches. Let's try this one in a different way. So yeah, let's go for a 3D sketch. I want to have a line which starts right here and goes somewhere. Make sure the auto snap is deactivated. Okay, now this one should be parallel to that plane, and then I could do a 90-degree angle with this. Okay, and with that line I could give it a direction. So finish the sketch. Let's do a ruled surface. This one, that's the line. The vector is this, and make it not 10 but 5. Now let's go for extend that surface by 5 millimeters. Then do a thicken, and a new body, make it symmetric, make it 10. And now I should be able to make a fillet. 5, 1, 2, 3, and the last one should be this one, and okay. And I will mirror this. I will mirror this body, so go for mirror. I want to mirror a body, I want to mirror that body, and the mirror plane should be the XY plane. Okay, that's nice. So now for this one. I will go for a sketch in the plane, so go for a plane which is in that point to that curve, and make a sketch, maybe hide these bodies, and make a sketch, a 2D sketch on that plane. And this should be a circle, and that circle should be 10. Yeah, finish the sketch. Now I could do a sweep, make a sweep with this one along that line and make it a new body and confirm. Now I could mirror this body, of course. So go for mirror. I want to mirror a body, this body, and the mirror plane is the XY plane. Confirm. That's okay. Now show the other bodies. Okay, this looks good. Now I will do this with a plane as well, so go for a plane, point line, make a sketch on that plane right here, and this should be a circle, and diameter is maybe 30. Finish the sketch. Make another sweep. You could do it with extrude as well. That's the path. And make it a new body, and okay. Now let's mirror this one. Mirror body, that body with the XY plane. Confirm. So one body is missing. I could do a sketch on the XY plane. Okay, and I need that point right here. Sorry. So project geometry, this one. And now I could do a circle. Diameter might be, let's take care. Where's the point? Should be right here. Diameter is maybe 70, and make sure these 2 points. Where's my projection? There it is. No. Let's take, yes, finish the sketch and make an extrude. Yeah, make an extrude. Make it symmetric and make it 60 and a new body. Okay, I'm almost done. So now combine these bodies. Combine, maybe that's the tool base body, tool body, tool body, tool body, tool body, tool body. Oh, that was mirrored. This one and that one. Hopefully I got all of them. Let's see. No, I got 2 bodies. I should select them right there. Would be better. So go to combine and add this tool body as well. Okay. Let's hide the sketches, the 3D sketches and the work planes, and the surfaces as well. Now I could add some fillets. Maybe let's take a look. Apply, 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 and let's see if we could add a small one right here. No. So let's try 2 and 2. Yes. Maybe same right here. Apply, yes. V5. Apply, apply, okay. Now let's add some holes. Hole, concentric face, concentric reference, and it should go through all, yes, and it might be 25. Okay. Another hole, concentric face, reference, make it 60, hole concentric, face reference relate with 20 and give it okay. Through all, yes. And the last one, another hole against concentric, surface and edge, and maybe 15. And sorry, don't make it through all. See? Make it up to this one and confirm. Okay, and I'm done. So this was a very long one because this program is not meant to be in the part design to do easy sweeps. And as I said once or twice, I will do the same thing in or with the frame generator, which is much easier to do. So hope you enjoyed it anyway. If yes, give it a like down below, leave a comment if you want to see more. Thanks for watching, see you to the next one, bye bye.